that first target, and I had mentioned in my previous video that I had two level changes off the primary secondary downtrend line here off the gap here, as well as an adjustment to that 30-35 resistance level, and we tagged it to the bullseye here. I had to add that adjustment based off the correlation off the consolidation that we had been building for quite some time here, and 26.33, which would coincide with that 50-day moving average, would be my first target, and we hit it right to the button. And top right here, where it's right where that 30-35 we came up and rejected, and good for a 14% drop. And this really changes the whole dynamic of this stock. We have a crossover now confirmed on the oscillators and as well as the MACD, and a cross down below its zero line would usher in a new sell signal and take out that 50-day moving averages alongside with it, and probably take down to that 23.22 level for a 10.2% drop, and potentially down to 22.04 to retest the gap, to huge backfill gap. It's got to go and test. We'll see, but it really truly is the moment of truth here. We had been building for weeks now, consolidating, and sometimes a result of this long period of consolidation can spitfire these stocks on a momentum, shooting in one direction or the other. But the most significant thing in my opinion is the huge gaping gap between here, the oscillator that's crossing over here, and that's kind of what you want to see here. Just recommending that there's a huge slowdown in momentum happening in the percent oscillator, which is the MACD's, pretty much the MACD's cousin. But again, a breakdown below that 23.22 for another 10.1% drop, and I'd favor the top of this gap for a 14.4% drop, down to 20.63 for a 19.5% drop, and down to 17.20, maybe even retest the lows at a 32% drop. Again, as soon as we zoom in here on the hourly, we do have a potential divergent low with a bullish, potential bullish divergences on the hourly. So just got to be careful with that if you're going to collect some profit. If you took a short off the 30-35 key level here and gun down for one of these targets, we'll see. Again, we have a gap in the hourly too. Might go and backfill it. This might even be 27.63, top of the 50 hourly moving average alongside the primary downtrend, could offer another objective entry short here, and swing it right back down to the 26.33 or 23.22. We'll see how it plays out, see how it pans out, and keep you updated on this one and the next targets if we get it. And if not, hey, it's a good time to take some profit here in case tomorrow really is the moment of truth and its key inflection point.